Now, I absolutely love to see my children climbing trees, but why should they be the only ones? As far as I'm concerned, everybody from 7 to 77 should be able to climb a tree. A, because it's great fun. Secondly, because you get a different perspective on the world. And thirdly, it touches muscles that other exercises simply cannot reach. So if you haven't climbed a tree in the last year, I definitely think it's time that you got back out, found the perfect tree for you, and climbed it. Just be careful of one thing though. Don't do what I'm about to do and fall!